Alright friends, welcome to the channel. If today is the first time visiting with us, I want to extend you a very warm welcome. If you've been here before but you have not subscribed, please subscribe. If today is your birthday, I want to extend you a very happy birthday. This will be the last video that I'm shooting in Europe, and I thought to make a comparison between what is in a DIY kit here in Europe as it opposed to a DIY kit in the States. So stick around and see what we're going to find. Keeping in mind that people here mostly live in apartments and flats, do not expect a great deal of DIY work to be performed by many people. So what I'm going to show you is basic but representative of what you will find here in most of the European countries. However, let us not forget that what I value here more is spending time outside. The houses are smaller, and the time they spend doing DIY work is really not as extensive as it is in the States.